Okay, you guys, I'm making my macaroni and cheese. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, all the water can drain out. And shake it, yeah. Then this is the cheese sauce. Gotta keep stirring it. It's getting a little thick. Might need to add a little bit more milk. I'm gonna take this off the eye. This is my turkey, you guys. Okay. Okay, so hold on tight. Okay, you guys. This is how I do mine, and you can do yours or whatever how you prefer. Then what I do, I stir it all together. So it make it easier for me this way instead of doing it in a pot. So I just stir it all together. And make sure you guys, you add a little cream cheese to your sauce mix to give it that creamy consistency. And make sure all your noodles and everything is combined. This is sharp cheddar, you guys. Then I'm gonna mix it with one more cheese that I had. Okay, you guys. Then it's almost ready to go in the oven. I put it in the oven for like 15 minutes. And it'll be ready to go. And try to cover the edges and everything. So I hope your Thanksgiving is going good. You're being blessed with family and friends. And alrighty, you guys, I'll be back with another video. Bye bye now.